Hello everyone. Here's my final presentation where I show off the website I created this semester. To start off, I just wanted to say I've really enjoyed having this class this semester and getting to know each and every one of you. Your insights these past couple weeks, especially when it comes to help with my website, has really helped me a lot. And then I guess I'll go ahead and just show off my website. So my idea for creating this website is to have just some central website where I could show off my writings. And specifically, I wrote a book about a year ago that's a biography of my grandmother-in-law's story about how she was a refugee in Laos and fled during the Vietnam War and fled to America. So I wanted a website where not only could I show off that book and promote that book, but I could also show off some of my other writing. So to start off, this is the home page. And on the home page, as you can see, the first thing is just the title of the book, a little mini blurb of the book, and then the book cover right there. And I also have this link here that will go straight to the store that we set up in this last week so that they can purchase the book. And then if you scroll down, you'll kind of see a little blurb about me as the author and everything. And if you keep scrolling, it will just show how many articles I've written, how many books I've had, and how many followers I have, and of just my writing and stuff. And then I also wanted to highlight some of my most recent writing. So right here you can see I have all of them highlighted, some of the more recent blogs I've done. And then I have a little quote here that I really like. It just says, "We speak not only to tell other people what we think, but to tell ourselves what we think. Speech is a part of thought." And I've just always loved that quote, so I kind of keep that on all of the websites I make for my journalism and just the comm department. And then let's see, I think that's pretty much it for the home page. And then if you come here, this is just the blog page that we set up. And with this, I kind of struggled for a little bit showing the photos, the featured photos like this. For whatever reason, I couldn't get that to work out, and then I found out it was a really simple fix. So yeah, so here you can just kind of click on each little writing sample, and it also has just kind of a little blurb of each one. And then I also have the about page right here. And it's very similar to that little blurb I had in the home page, except for it's a little bit longer and in more detail. And then lastly, when setting up the store, the different things I did were just the different copies of the book. So I have a digital download, a hardcover slash paperback option, and then a digital and a physical copy just kind of bundled together. Those were my three things for the store. And yeah, that's my website. Like I said, I think the thing that I struggled with the most during this class probably had to do with just laying out this blog page again, because for whatever reason, I was really struggling to get the featured photo to show up without having another photo. And then when I added another photo, both photos would show up. So I just wanted the feature photo to be the one to show up. And like I said, it ended up being a really easy fix. I just had to kind of dig around on the setup page, and I was able to discover the thing, and it was just literally like a checkbox that says show feature photo or something like that. It shouldn't have taken me that long. But yeah, I've enjoyed having this class with you guys, and thank you. I hope you like my website.